Good morning, Kenosha. I hope you're having a great day today. If you're a buyer and you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for the market to go down, waiting for prices to come down, just waiting for it to become more of a buyer's market, you may be in luck. The numbers for this past week are showing that we are turning very heavily into buyer's territory. We're still very much in a seller's market, but let's dive into last week's numbers and see where they're trending. So as usual, we're going to start here at the market action index number. We're still holding strong here at 52. We were at 52 last week. If my cursor wants to act right, we were at 52.13 last week, so it actually went down a little bit because we're at 51.65 this week. So it ticked down just a tiny little bit, not much of a change. I would consider that a negligible change, so pretty much nothing. But the bigger changes in this past week's numbers are these here. So the median list price, this is a median list price of everything that's currently on the market. Look at this big change. So the median list price right now is at 310,000. It was 325,000 the week prior. So look at that big jump. $15,000 in price differences. That's a big price difference if you're a buyer. That's a that's a big difference in your mortgage payment every month. $15,000 difference in your mortgage payment. That's a big difference in your mortgage payment every month. The median price of new listings, so what things are listed at every month, is at 239.9, so 240, down from 300,000 last week. So that is also a huge price difference. What is that? Almost $60,000. So obviously, new listings are being priced a lot lower than they were the week prior. Obviously, houses are just are closing lower. They're being listed for lower prices. So as real estate agents are doing their listing presentations to sellers, are saying we recommend that you list your house for this price if you want to sell it quickly and for the most amount of money possible. And sellers are agreeing with their listing agents because obviously we're the professionals and we're trying to get your house sold quickly and for the most amount of money possible. So if you're a buyer, these are good numbers here. You want to see these prices come down. If you're a seller, obviously it's not a good thing. Have we hit the peak of the market? I don't know. I can't answer that question for you. After the election, things may go back up again. Elections tend to change the market. We'll see what happens after the election. But right now, if you're a buyer, it's probably a really good time for you to jump into the market right now. Interest rates are still relatively low. I know that they did creep back up a little bit, but they're still pretty low right now for interest rates. Price per square foot, of course, this is trending downwards because price of homes are trending downwards. Average days on market, as prices go down, you would expect to see this go up as we head more and more into a buyer's market. It's at 66 right now. It was at 60 last week, so that's to be expected. The more and more as we get closer to a buyer's market, we're going to see higher days on market. So this is average days on market. This is of everything that's on the market right now. So not just new listings, but everything. This is encompassing everything that's currently on the market. I like to go by median days on market. This takes all the outliers out, so everything has been say on the market for 100 plus days, and then those outliers that sell in 1 day or less, because those are the anomalies. So the median days on market is at 28. So 4 weeks, but even that is going up. It was at 21 last week, and it was at 21 a couple weeks, for holding strong on 21 for a few weeks there, but we're up to 28 now. So we're getting closer and closer to that buyer's market. The market action index number isn't showing it yet, but these other numbers are starting to show it. We would expect that the price decreases to be going up, but it's holding strong at 48%, a little bit under 48%, 47.67, which is actually down from 48.3 last week, but holding strong at that 48%. It just means that houses are still selling because we are still in a very strong seller's market. So that's to be expected. Kenosha, we're pretty far away from a buyer's market, from an even market. I don't expect us to be in an even market or a buyer's market for the next 6 months, maybe even in a year. So we're still pretty far away from an even market or a buyer's market. So price decreases, even though they are on the rise, I see in the MLS every day. Houses are decreasing their prices because they're just not selling as quickly as sellers expected them to. So this is on the rise a little bit, just at a slower pace than it has been in the last few weeks here. Um, by the way, if you guys find this information useful, go ahead and leave me a comment. When do you think that we're going to hit that buyer's market or even an even market? Do you think it'll be in the next couple weeks? Do you think it'll be in the next year? Do you think we'll ever hit a buyer's market here in the Kenosha area? Or do you think we'll be in a perpetual seller's market here in our area forever just because of the number of jobs that are coming in? What do you guys think? I would love to hear it. Drop it down in the comment section below and let me know. I would love to know. Number of relisted here. So expired listings that come back on the market, just below 19%. That has been holding pretty strong right around that 20% range for the last few weeks. In a healthy market, this should be right around 10 to 15%. So this is still pretty high for a healthy market, but it's coming down. But as we get closer and closer to a buyer's market, we'll see this start to rise again. Because as houses don't sell, obviously they expire and they relist either with the same agent or a new agent to try their marketing techniques. So as we get closer to an even market or a buyer's market, this number will continue to rise. Inventory, this number kind of surprised me because as we get closer to an even market or a buyer's market, this should continue to go up, but it actually went down. It was 89 the prior week and it's at 86 this week. So it means that houses did sell this past week. So inventory actually went down a little bit. Not to be unexpected because we are still in a very strong seller's market. So like I said, we're still in a very strong seller's market. Inventory did go down, to be expected. But we will see inventory slowly creep up as the weeks go on, as we get closer to that even / buyer's market. Rent, if you're renting and you watch this channel, rent continues to trend downward, which is really good for you if you are renting. It's at just under $1,900 right now, and it keeps trending downward, which is really good for you. Again, that market action index number is at 52. I did not prop any charts this week because these little lines right here, they kind of show the charts, just not as big as the charts down here. But let's look at the new listed and the sold for this past week. So let's start down here. The price range that pretty much everybody's looking. This is kind of like the 150 to like 250 price range, with the average right around 200,000. There were 6 new listings with 3 of them sold. The next price range up, I would say this is like the $300,000 to $400,000 price range. This is still a really hot price market right now. These houses are still selling really fast. They still tend to sit in the market for 3, maybe 7, 10 days before they're selling. So if your house in this price range, it's still going to sell really fast right now in our market. There were 3 new listings and 4 of them sold. And the next price range up, I would say the $400,000 to $500,000 price range. We're getting closer to that luxury price range. There was 1 new listing and 5 of them sold. So as you can see here, this is where we're getting to why the inventory decreased, is because of these numbers right here. And the next price range up, that $500,000 and up price range, there was 1 new listing and 2 of them sold. And if you look at the days on market here, of the ones that this is like average days on market of everything that's on the market right now in this price range. 63 for the luxury, 35 for that $400,000 to $500,000 price range, and 28 for that second hottest price range, that $300,000 to $400,000 price range, and 10 days on market for that price range that everybody wants to be in, that 150 to like $250,000 $300,000 price range. So this price range is still really hot. This is where everybody kind of is looking at When I have buyers looking, they tend to be pre-approved in that $200,000 to $200,000 price range. So this price range right here tends to be really hot. If your house is priced in this price range, it'll probably sell almost immediately in almost any condition you listed in. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop in the comment box below. If you like this, do me a favor, hit that like button. It really helps me out. Lets me know that you guys enjoy this content. Hit that subscribe button if you want to be notified whenever I drop new videos, and YouTube will do its thing for you. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video.